Alright guys, what's going on? Justin from 79 Productions, and today I'm going to be unboxing a $500 turbo kit from Maxpeedingrods. Super excited about this, and yeah, this is going to be going on my Civic, and hopefully we can make some good power. Now, the B20 in the Civic probably makes about 120, 110 from the factory. Hopefully we could add an extra 100 horsepower with this turbo kit. So we're just gonna do an unboxing right now, and it looks like a small package. I don't know how everything's in here, but it is in here. So we got a bunch of styrofoam packaging. I'm just gonna throw that to the side. So I'm gonna show you guys what comes in this kit, and it should be everything that I need to complete the turbo installation besides the turbo manifold. Now, Maxpeedingrods has a turbo manifold for the Integra, but I already had one, and I'm gonna run that one. So here we go. To start out, let's open this up. This should be the turbo. I'm kind of excited about this. This is a T3 T4 turbo, and on their website, when I ordered the kit, it says that it should allow me to make up to 400 horsepower. So now I'm not trying to make anywhere near that. I'm not trying to make anywhere near 400. I'm probably gonna shoot for about 230 on 93 on premium gas. Here we go. T3 T4 turbo. Super excited about this. Yeah. This thing looks great, and it's a 63. I want to say it's a 6353. Yeah. I was looking at it. It's a 6353. But yeah, this thing looks great. Super excited about this. Put this back in there and set it to the side. I'm going to show you guys everything else that comes with it. Now it's going to have all of your gaskets, fittings, and stuff like that. We'll go ahead and take that out, set that down, and let's see what's in the next box. This is going to be the downpipe for the turbo. And this is a 2.5 inch. It's 2.5 inch in diameter. Now, if I was trying to run more power, I would want to go with like probably a 3-inch diameter. But 2.5 is going to be perfectly fine for what I'm running. Like I said, I only want to probably hit for about. I'm gonna say I'm gonna keep it under 250, but 230 would be good. That should be an extra 100 horsepower. Downpipe. Go. And this is gonna be my oil feed line. These are going to be the all of the fittings I need. The return line fitting. This is going to go on the oil. This is going to go on the turbo, and I'm going to have to weld a 10 AN bung into the oil pan. But this is going to go on the turbo for the return line. Comes with a bung. I don't think I'm going to be able to use this because this is aluminum. My oil pan is steel. This is the feed line fitting, which is gonna go on the turbo. It comes with pretty much everything that I would need. A bunch of 10AN fittings. Let's put these back in. These are just the fittings. Let's see what else comes in the kit. This is in here. Here's the drain line, the return line. So we got the feed line, the return line, and all the fittings for it in this package. There's a T, there's bolts, a block off fitting, an extension. Yeah, everything's in here to set up the feed line and the return line. Set this down. Now, let's see what is in this one. Well, let's start right here. Here's the intercooler. Guys, this thing looks great. The welds on it are pretty nice. This is gonna be perfect. It's a good size for the Honda. It's gonna fit behind the bumper, tuck behind the bumper pretty good. So this is gonna be good. Let's move forward. See what else we got in here. Here we got the blowout valve here. Make those little sounds everybody likes. Here's fittings for it. Some silicone holes for it. Guys, this is a nice setup, and it's so far it looks pretty complete. What else we got in here? This is the wastegate. I want to say when I looked it up online, this was either a 35 or 38 millimeter, but this is gonna work perfect for what we got. Now, here's one thing I suggest when you guys are working, when you guys are installing a turbo kit. What you want to do is you want to kind of open these, check out the diaphragms in them, and make sure they were put together where there's no kink in the diaphragm or anything, because a lot of the times you can have like you could be running open boost, and literally all you do is just take off this one nut and bolt right here, and this top piece will come out just to inspect it. That way you don't have any problems. It's cheap insurance just to do that when you're installing a turbo kit. So we got the fittings and everything to put this. So one of them is gonna be what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have my wastegate, the dump tube, welded onto one of these. I need to figure out which one it is, but that's what these are for. That way we can have the wastegate dump tube hooked up. Gotta weld that up. And this is just more fittings from that. All right, so here we go. We got the blowout valve. The blowout valve is going to hook up to here. This is the intercooler piping. It should have clamps and fittings and everything to connect the piping. but that's good. Set that down here. What is this? This is gonna be the T-fittings and the boost controller. So this is a manual boost controller, and you just turn it to adjust the boost. And we're gonna have the silicone hoses to run in there, so everything's there so we can be able to control the boost. Set these back in here. What else we got here? All right, guys, so I want to say this is a boost gauge that comes with it. I did not see this on the website. I might have missed it, but this was in here. So super excited about that. Yeah, it is a boost gauge. It's kind of dark. You can't see it in there, but it's a boost gauge. It says boost. Now, I didn't know that this came with it. Yeah, let's get it in the light. You can see it a little bit better in there. That's a boost gauge. So super excited about this. I didn't know that this was in here. It's always nice when you find extra stuff. Now for the last box, let's see what this is. And this is going to be all of our intercooler piping. So if you look in here, we got a bunch of different angles. We got our clamping here. We got everything that we're going to need to connect everything. The hose clamping, intercooler piping, and this is going to be, it's 2.5 inch, 2 or 2.5 inch intercooler piping, and this stuff looks amazing. I mean, it looks like it's good quality, so I should have more than what I need here. I want to say I'm probably gonna have some left over once I'm done with the installation, but that's gonna be it. Let's see if there's anything else. There's a bunch of straight piping on the bottom. Yeah, a bunch of straight piping on the bottom. And one thing, guys, when you do this, what I'm gonna have to do is, depending, since this is a universal kit, I'm gonna have to trim and flare these up just so that they work. Hopefully I don't have to do too much cutting, but you never know what you're gonna have to do when you're working with the universal turbo kit. That's just some of the things that you have to do, so we're gonna have to do that. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. I am super excited about this. We have a complete turbo kit, and big shout out to Maxpeedingrods. This thing got here super quick. I'm excited about it. Now we are going B20 turbo. And now we've seen what I've done before, B20 turbo, and I'm gonna be swapping the B20 into the red Civic. We got other big plans for the blue Civic, so I'm super excited about this. I'll let you guys know what's coming up with this in a couple of videos. Well, we're gonna wait till we collect some more parts for the blue Civic, then I'll let you guys know what we're gonna do, but super excited about this. We're going to be installing this turbo kit very soon. Maxpeedingrods T3 T4 turbo kit. Now this is a universal kit, so it will work on multiple applications, and I'm going to show you how to make it work on a Honda Civic. So that's it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at 79th Productions. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys.